Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Yotpo is a potent e-commerce marketing platform geared towards bolstering brand loyalty and driving community growth. It achieves this through a suite of integrated solutions that encompass customer reviews, visual marketing featuring user-generated content, loyalty and referral programs, and SMS marketing campaigns. This multifaceted approach enables businesses to collect and leverage authentic customer feedback to enhance their online presence and cultivate stronger customer relationships. At its core, Yotpo provides businesses with the tools to gather and showcase reviews, ratings, photos, and videos directly from their customers. This user-generated content builds trust and social proof, influencing potential buyers and driving conversions. Yotpo simplifies the process of collecting reviews through automated review requests sent via email or SMS after a purchase. The platform also offers features for moderating reviews, responding to customer feedback, and showcasing the most impactful testimonials. Beyond reviews, Yotpo empowers brands to leverage the power of visual user-generated content. By enabling customers to share photos and videos featuring your products, Yotpo helps build an engaging visual community around your brand. This authentic content can be used across your website, social media channels, and marketing materials, adding a layer of social proof and visual appeal to your brand storytelling. Yotpo's loyalty and referral programs facilitate long-term customer engagement. By rewarding customers for repeat purchases, referrals, and other interactions, businesses can cultivate a loyal following and incentivize brand advocacy. These programs are highly customizable, allowing you to tailor rewards and incentives to your specific business needs and target audience. Furthermore, Yotpo's SMS marketing capabilities enable businesses to connect with customers directly through personalized text messages. This channel offers a high open and engagement rate, making it ideal for sharing promotions, sending timely reminders, and building stronger one-on-one connections with your audience. This direct line of communication fosters a sense of community and keeps your brand top of mind for your customers. All these features combine to offer a comprehensive solution for building a thriving online presence driven by genuine customer engagement and fueled by the power of social proof.